I got disqualified from a hackathon because of this one thing that I learned from expert project managers. I used it along the way, and at some points, the organizers were like, it's too, in quotes, unethical. And I was like, really? Was it really just because it was unethical, or it was just because I was ahead of them in knowledge and skill? You guys know how the typical hackathons require a project manager, developer, and a designer, right? Well, in this my own case, I actually require all that because I knew how to build this tree from my head using what is called a mind map. And I want to give you this update for free, literally. If you want to know how to use a mind map, utilize this tool to scale your project execution, comment map, and I will definitely send it to you. I literally didn't have to build any concrete prototype before I started a hackathon or before I started working on anything. I just built as my brain was thinking. And that was dangerously smart. Right now, I'm feeling like Doctor Strange or, one of the adventurers, but that 1 million would have gone far, man. During the hackathon, at some point, I was making so much progress that it looked like I was unstoppable. Literally, we're given 3 days, and I was building a back-end API solution for some fintechs, and I was targeting Zenith Bank. But then the usual routine checks and the whole approval and every single thing, they're like, "Ah, it's only two of you, like just me and my designer friend. Only two of you on this team, man. No, 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 no. There must be an error somewhere." And I'm like, what error? And then on top of my case, they went to now see that I was faster than my shadow. Like, how does that even work? They were like, whatever hack you're using right now is unethical. And I'm like, bro, this is a literal effing hackathon. Like, is it because you're not coming here to hack? Like, there's usually a hack in the hackathon. Like, that is what it entails. Building a mind map is super simple. I draft a simple idea on paper, and then I just branch the sub ideas that come with it. Literally, it's just a visual representation of the idea in my head. Instead of me having to write down the theories one by one, oh, we're going to have a button here, we're going to have an interface here. I just literally have every single thing in a mind map captured visually. And then once it's in my head, I just move with whatever is in my head. I don't start breaking every single step and process again and again and again just because of the result I want to achieve. And that's one thing about some developers. Sometimes a lot of projects are not executed just because they are hard, but because they went through too much planning and no effort in execution. Fun enough, it is now worse because I use this epic AI tool, Miro AI, that guides me through every single step of my mind map, like literally guides me through every single thing and also thinks along with me.